with us before you leave?
Okay, I do apologize.
That's all right. This gentleman has a case.
No.
No. I want Bernard's on here.
Du Bois.
This is Trevor.
No.
Yeah, I don't know what Du Bois has on.
This gentleman right here, Martin Sawela, or what's your name again, sir?
They,
That is with Bernard's.
This is he's with Trent. This is Trent case. Saeed's with Trent.
There was another Brownstown case where I called, needed him back, wasn't there?
That was Ali.
Where's Ali at?
I have no idea.
So there was one with Ali probably out in the home. Target is with Trenton, and then this gentleman's with Trenton. Monica Leanne Wyachek, 24G305-9908. Your name, ma'am?
Sure, what name is not one.
She's charged with failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs. She had one prior technical violation. What is she going to do here?
Pleading guilty to the crime.
I'm gonna need Emily in here.
Foster got him with the one.
Wait a minute, I want everybody to slow down. This is my fault a little bit. Just slow down, back up. Did Sergeant Penars, I need to talk to you on these cases. Give me Hargett, John, and give me this gentleman's right here. I know I did. Have a seat, Durwood and Mrs. Wyashek. So I need you to stay here, if you would, Sergeant, until we call all of these, okay?
Okay.
Ayala Kelly Hargett, 25T646346. Come on up here. Your name, Sergeant?
Sergeant Arthur.
So, your name.
Aaliyah Harvey.
So I took her plea. The fine schedule was 215. That's what the fine schedule is.
Okay.
I told her it was 185. She told me that you told her that it was gonna be $100 less than the 215.
so it'd be cheaper. It's usually right around 150 is what I said.
Well, but remember, this is a $215 ticket.
I didn't know if it adjusted. I don't know how the fines work.
Yeah, I know. I'd encourage you not to tell them that because I do float them around depending on what's records are. I'm not gonna reduce it. If you want me to allow you to withdraw the plea, I will. She says she didn't do it, is what she's saying.
Right, yeah, we had that conversation.
So operating vehicle while on cell device, this is Officer Honeycutt. So I'm not gonna reduce it, but I will allow you to withdraw the plea if that's what you want to do and set it for a formal. But if you set it for a formal, I want you to be aware. If you lose, this is going on your record. I'm not saying you're gonna lose, but it is gonna go on your record if that's what you decide to do.
Yeah.
Do you want a minute to think about it? Take a minute to think about it. Okay? Take a minute to think about it. In the meantime, I don't believe this gentleman here behind you signed in.
Yeah, this is the one I turned in with
You turned in for
free tickets.
you turned in for default.
Yeah, I called the lobby, and there was no sign in.
I know. We get that every
All right,
day.
so,
Okay.
you want to start the discussion, Your Honor, and then come back in?
Yeah,
Okay.
talk to him and then you can bring that back in and then we're gonna see what Ms. Hargett wants to do.
Okay.
All right, I'm sorry. Recalling Monica Leanne Wychef. 4G305-9908. All right, ma'am, your name again? Detective.
Sure, what name is Monica?
I mean,
Watson.
what am I saying,
This
detective?
is Mr. Sino's case. She's also here on one of the Zoom matters, Mr. Sharp there.
All right, so we need to call Emily in. If you plead guilty, she said she's going to plead guilty, right?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, ma'am, you could get 10 days. Do you understand that? Did you sign the advice of rights form? Did you read it and understand it? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that? Nice and loud for me. To the charge of failure to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing positive on a chemical test on September 16 of 25, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you drink alcohol within the 3 days before that?
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Oh,
I'm gonna accept your plea. Where did you drink at?
I know.
With who? I'm gonna accept your plea. All right, did somebody call Emily? Good. What do you want to tell me?
Judge, I think she was within 10 days of being off probation. She and her husband are both out of work. They've got extreme financial stress, and they've got drain of everything with too much debt.
Name?
I'm a casino.
All right, what are we gonna do with her? Let me see the screening. Something reminded me. She was inpatient, and I believe this was the first offense, as I recall. She had a really, really high breathalyzer, blood draw, whatever the case may have been, as I recall. Could be wrong. Something else too, wasn't there? Something else bothered me. There was an accident. Do you have the police report? He struck the back of the patrol car. I remember now. Okay. All right. Call me, talk to me. What are we gonna do with her?
So she's done everything. It really, she's just maintaining as far as meetings, treatment and testing. I did just print her testing before I came in here and she missed over the weekend on the 26th. So I didn't get a chance to amend the order.
She admits over the weekend, she's,
She missed over the weekend. She missed chemical testing over the weekend.
Oh, I didn't know that. I've been doing it for 15 months. I didn't even know. I usually can. I tried it, but I didn't realize it.
you're still working, right? Why, what happened?
Oh, I got let go.
Not as a result of this.
Let go on August 13th. I was trying to hold on as long as I could, but I got my husband to get back to work and it's kind of waiting me.
What's going on with, why'd they let you go?
Well, I've been working 13, 14 hours a day for the last 10 months. I don't get home till 3 in the morning. I haven't been home for my kids or anything. They have like a point system, so I've been coming in late, you know. And they just haven't let me go, but they told me if I put in my 2 weeks notice that they can rehire me, but it's like a different director and all this stuff, so I don't have that time to wait for it. Cause now I'm out of work and I'm the only one that was paying all the bills. And doing everything. Now I ran out of money. So that's why I'm trying to,
Is DNA open? You're going to okay, hang on a second, just slow down. I'm accepting your plea. I'm handing you this back. I want you to go test the DNA today. Okay, you're gonna test the DNA today. What's that? Oh, this.
Yes, thank you.
You're gonna test the DNA today. And then you're gonna come back for sentencing, all right? Where is the registered there? Okay, so defendant to test today. When is Mr. Haynes here again? When can we set this sentence for?
October 27th at 8:30.
Actually, I don't have anything earlier than that.
Your next probation day is a holiday.
Jeez.
There are other days when I'm here,
Yeah, give me a date when you're here.
17th. I figure out next week on the 6th, doing the arrangements.
We'll have the test back by then. October 6th at 8:30. Okay? Yeah.
Someone can fill in, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, October 6th at 8:30. Okay? All right, thank you.
Do you want her to continue to, do you wanna change your testing at all, or leave it as it?
No, just leave it as it is. We're gonna see what happens. I'm off on Friday. All right, go test today. We'll see what we're gonna do. Just relax, one day at a time, okay? Ayala Kelly Hargett, 25T 646-346. So you tell me what you want me to do, ma'am. Your name? Do you want to withdraw your plea, or do you want and go to hearing on the operating while texting, or do you want to have a
I'll take responsibility, but I get 30 days to pay it.
sure? So you understand it's still going to be 185? Yes?
Yes.
Where do you work at?
In the office.
We pay $40 each week. How about we do that? And we'll start it on October the 10th. I'm sorry. Yeah, October the 10th, okay? If you ever don't have the money, just call the court. We'll go on Zoom, honor before the due date, or you can walk in here, honor before the due date, okay? Good luck. I started one, they got it prior at 16. Just welcome. Just welcome. Yeah, it's concrete. You're right. That's, thank you. Bianca, what? Which one's that?
We had,
This gentleman? We'll take
yeah,
that.
he's been here since 8:45.
Yeah. Come on up here, sir. This is Mohammed Saeed Abdul Wali Mohammed Sawali, 25T 646-439, A and B and C. Your name? So you're gonna plead to impeding, right? On file one. And you're gonna plead responsible to expired plate, and then they're going to dismiss the no insurance, right?
Yes, sir.
And your name?
Sergeant Bernard, Prep Police Department.
And that's the offer, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
To the charge of expired plate, responsible or not responsible? To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Okay, so I'm gonna accept your plea to impeding traffic on the first file. I'm going to charge. I'm gonna let this go, but you really, I'm not sure you qualify for all this to be, well, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do, but 175 on the impeding charge and 135 on the expired plate, and the no insurance is dismissed, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you gotta pay 310. Can you pay that? 320. Okay, good enough. You go down the hall and take that and you're all set. Bianca Williams.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Is Bianca Williams here, 25W839-913? Sergeant, Lieutenant Toller, come on up here, right?
Your Honor, I was told, that
Your name?
Detective Lieutenant Toller would able to be,
She was on Zoom and you were late.
that is correct, Your Honor.
Reschedule this one,
Judge.
Lisa. I'm not even gonna write anything down. Just reschedule it. I'll have them bring the file down, okay? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Do you mind taking that down to her, please? Mark Dow, Mark Patrick Dow the third, 25 24G 306-088, 24G 306-078. And then I have these other three files. 25G 306-644, 25G 306-575, and 25G 306-516. Your name?
Mark Ruff.
Lisa, did his dad call or grandfather call and allow us permission to apply the bond?
Yes, he did.
All right, so we're gonna close out. Let me just do this. Defendant's grandpa called. Gave permission to apply bond. On this file and 24G 306-078. Okay, so we're done with those then, I believe. We're gonna close those cases, all right? Now, in the future, you gotta take care of your tickets, young man, okay?
I was surprised when they said that I have those ones.
You can't just put them out of your mind. Right?
Am I able to set up all?
Yeah, but you gotta stick with it this time.
I can do 40 a week.
All right,
I can take.
I'll let you do-
my head.
Lisa, I'm just gonna write on G 306-516, pay 30 per week on this, and then other files, the other files here, I'm talking about 306-575 and 306-644. So she'll set you up on a plan of 30 a week. If you don't have the money, no problem, call the court, we'll go on Zoom or come in here and see me on it before the due date, and I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay? Good luck.
Thank you.
When is that starting?
When did I say it? I wrote it down, I think, here.
I can pay 20 today.
30 per week on this file, and then the others beginning. Thanks for reminding me. I'm gonna do October the 3rd. Okay, this Friday. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. All right. All right, Manasser Asgar L. Baker, 25B149-118. All right, thanks for coming back on this one. Officer, your name? Sir, your name?
That's about it.
All right, you're going to plead to improper lane use, right?
Sir.
All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible? Please accept it, 170, you're all set. Thanks, Officer Dubois. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna take in, is Faraz Sharp here? Or you wanna do Farrell first? Let's do Jackson Farrell, 24B 82280.
Everyone, Hank, we have Jackson